Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we were drawing a Happy Meal. So first we'll draw a line right here, then a line right here. Next we'll draw a line right here. And then draw a line on the top. So, like McDonald's Happy Meals, so that's what we're drawing today. So, and next you do this, next you do this, then you make this, then you make this. Then you do this. Then you're supposed to make like little lines going right here. Oh, they just have that on Happy Meals for some reason. And now for the smile, so. I should draw this. And then we're pretty much done. But for detail, you could draw like a hamburger here or something. What I'm drawing is a hamburger. And so yeah, and you could you could draw little dots for the seeds on the top of the bun. And then for the wrapping paper, you could make a little McDonald's logo on it. Then on the wrapping paper, you just make little lines on it. So, and then you got yourself a Happy Meal and a hamburger too. Oh yeah, just one adding thing. Just draw little seeds on the bottom bun too if you want. Okay, now we have finished our Happy Meal. Make sure to watch my videos. Bye!